Welcome to Healthy Script, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar and its role in weight loss. Let's get started. Ever wondered why weight loss seems to be a never-ending struggle for many? Or have you heard about the magical weight loss properties of apple cider vinegar, but have no clue how to use it? Well, you're not alone. In a world where quick-fix solutions are often sought after, weight loss remains a challenging journey for numerous individuals. Amidst the myriad of diets and exercises, a potential solution that has been gaining attention is apple cider vinegar. Yes, you heard it right. This simple household item is believed to have properties that can aid in weight loss. But how does it work? And more importantly, how should one use it? These questions may have crossed your mind, and rightly so. The aim of this video is to simplify the process of using apple cider vinegar for weight loss, breaking it down into practical, easy-to-follow steps. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of apple cider vinegar and its role in weight loss. Firstly, let's understand what apple cider vinegar is and why it's creating such a buzz in the health and wellness industry. Apple cider vinegar, often abbreviated as ACV, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. The process begins with crushing apples and squeezing out the juice. This juice is then mixed with yeast, which kickstarts the fermentation process, converting the sugars in the juice into alcohol. The next step involves adding bacteria to the mix, which further ferments the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Now, you might be wondering about its nutritional components. Well, apple cider vinegar is low in calories and contains a small amount of potassium. It also boasts some amino acids and antioxidants. But the real star of the show is the acetic acid. This component is thought to be responsible for most of ACV's health benefits. In its raw, unfiltered form, apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria. The mother gives the product a cloudy, cobweb-like appearance and is believed to have many health benefits. So why is apple cider vinegar considered beneficial for health? Well, studies suggest that acetic acid has potent health benefits, including lowering blood sugar levels and cholesterol, improving symptoms of diabetes, and aiding weight loss. ACV is also known for its antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help kill harmful pathogens, including bacteria. In terms of pH, apple cider vinegar is mildly acidic, with a typical pH level between 2 and 3. This acidity can help improve the health of your digestive system and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, while apple cider vinegar has many potential health benefits, it's not a cure-all, and it's important to use it as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Now that we know what apple cider vinegar is, let's dive into how it aids in weight loss. So, how does apple cider vinegar contribute to weight loss? Let's break it down. Firstly, apple cider vinegar is known to play a significant role in reducing belly fat. This is largely due to acetic acid, a key ingredient in apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid can help your body burn fat more effectively, and this includes that stubborn belly fat that seems to linger no matter how many crunches you do. But how does this happen? Well, acetic acid enhances your metabolism, which is the process your body uses to convert the food you eat into energy. A faster metabolism means more calories burned, and more calories burned means less fat stored. So by boosting your metabolism, apple cider vinegar helps your body burn off that extra belly fat. Next, apple cider vinegar helps regulate your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels spike, it can lead to increased fat storage. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can improve your body's ability to take up sugar from your blood and use it for energy. This not only helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady, but also assists in preventing the accumulation of more fat. Lastly, apple cider vinegar is known to suppress appetite. It does this by slowing down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. Additionally, it can also interfere with the digestion of starches, reducing the number of calories that enter your bloodstream. This can lead to a reduced calorie intake, which again aids in weight loss. It's important to note, however, that while apple cider vinegar can contribute to weight loss, it's not a magic solution. It should be used as part of a balanced diet and regular exercise regimen. Now that we understand why apple cider vinegar is effective, let's discuss how to use it. Using apple cider vinegar for weight loss isn't as complex as one might think. In fact, it's as easy as incorporating a few simple steps into your daily routine. Let's break it down. Firstly, let's talk about how to take apple cider vinegar. The best way to consume it is by diluting it with water to prevent the acidity from harming your teeth and stomach lining. A common ratio is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed into a full glass of water. If you find the taste too strong, feel free to add a little honey or lemon juice to sweeten it naturally. Now, timing is everything. The best time to consume apple cider vinegar for weight loss is before meals. Taking it before meals not only helps to suppress appetite, but it also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making it less likely for you to experience energy crashes and cravings later in the day. In terms of dosage, start with 1 tablespoon per day, and gradually work your way up to 2 tablespoons as your body adjusts to the acidity. Please remember, more is not always better. Consuming excessive amounts of apple cider vinegar can lead to side effects like nausea and tooth erosion, so it's important to stick to the recommended dosage. As for the pH, you should look for apple cider vinegar with a pH of around 5. A pH of 5 is slightly acidic, which is what you want. This level of acidity helps with digestion and supports a healthy gut environment. There are many brands of apple cider vinegar available in the market, but some popular ones include Bragg, Heinz, and Dynamic Health. These brands are known for their quality and consistency. When choosing a brand, go for one that is organic, unpasteurized, and contains the mother, a substance rich in healthful enzymes and bacteria. Let's not forget the time it takes to see results. Weight loss is a gradual process and varies from person to person. However, with consistent use, you can start to see changes in your weight within a month. It's important to pair the consumption of apple cider vinegar with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Remember, apple cider vinegar is not a magic potion, but a tool that can support your weight loss journey when used correctly and consistently. It's also packed with other health benefits, which we'll delve into in the next part of this video. So there you have it, the how, when, and what of using apple cider vinegar for weight loss. It's all about being consistent, patient, and mindful of the dosage and timing. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to witnessing results. Besides weight loss, apple cider vinegar offers a host of other health benefits. Its versatility truly makes it a gem in the world of natural remedies. Let's take a quick look at some of the other ways you can use apple cider vinegar to bolster your health. Apple cider vinegar is known for its heart-healthy benefits. It contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce blood pressure levels and improve cholesterol. Consuming apple cider vinegar can help keep your heart in top shape by managing these risk factors for heart disease. Remember though, to always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you have a pre-existing condition. Another common health concern that apple cider vinegar can help with is diabetes. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Moreover, apple cider vinegar can support digestive health. It can help to balance your stomach's pH levels and promote healthy digestion, making it a natural remedy for issues like heartburn or acid reflux. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is rich in probiotics, which are great for gut health. It's also worth noting that apple cider vinegar is packed with essential nutrients. It's a good source of vitamins B1, B2, and B6, as well as folic acid and some minerals like potassium and iron. These nutrients play vital roles in our overall well-being, from supporting immune function to promoting healthy skin and hair. So, that was a simple guide on how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Remember, while apple cider vinegar can aid your weight loss journey, it's not a miracle cure. A healthy diet and regular exercise will always be the cornerstones of weight loss. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring natural remedies.